Hi there. There are times that you feel your boyfriend doesn't appreciate you. You might have felt the same way in the past with your exes. Would you like to know how will be your relationship with him in the next few months? How to make him value you more. Many relationships face problems because there is a lack of appreciation. Undoubtedly, it will cause many issues sooner or later. You can't always avoid the simple truth. If your boyfriend doesn't value you, you feel it. You see it in many situations. It isn't something that is hidden under your bed. I will show you the way how to make your partner not only be grateful but unable to breathe without you. He will not feel any pressure and he won't even realize it. You have to walk the way, but no worries, you will not be alone. At the end of the road, you will see that you will benefit from it, in either way. Welcome to Success Aeon. Success Aeon will help you improve yourself and your relationships. Boyfriends and girlfriends. Husbands and wives. Understanding different types of emotions is crucial for your relationship to be successful. Lack of appreciation in a relationship. The lack of appreciation in a couple could trigger multiple problems that eventually might even destroy a relationship. So, roll up your sleeves and prepare for hard work. There is nothing worse to know that you could do something little different that might change the outcome of a breakup. If you sit there taking care of your nails, waiting for him to change, will have devastating consequences most of the time. If you want your man to value you more, then you need to do something. You have to work hard for what you love. Now the why your boyfriend doesn't appreciate and value you depend on the situation. The pattern may be similar, but the uniqueness of everyone differs. If you believe that you give your best efforts to gain his trust and appreciation and try to please his needs, but still nothing change from him, then you might have to consider that it's the time to move on with your life. Don't be a woman that needs a man. Be a woman man needs. When you will finish this video, you will see that there are many ways to make your boyfriend happier and your whole relationship better. Not only he will value you more than ever, but he will want to live for you only, and not just that, you will be a better person and a better partner for him. The mind of a woman works in a unique way, and run in speed that even science doesn't understand. Let's be honest. The truth is that your deep concern is not how to make your boyfriend appreciate and value you more, now, at this very moment, but to recognize you, and become ready for the next step. The ultimate reason is the fullness of you individually, but also as a couple, even subconsciously. If you try without results, or even if you think that all is good in your relationship with your boyfriend, but deep inside you have this feeling that he doesn't show you total trust, faith and appreciation, then it's time for a change. So grab a coffee, tell your ego to stay out of this. It's important to keep it busy with something else for a while, relax and enjoy. It will be a fun ride after all. Wait. I forgot something. Ah yes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like the video. Okay, back to the point. It's vital to be the best possible partner for him, and you must get better and better as an individual, day in and day out, because you will force him to do the same thing. Even if he won't realize it. It's beneficial because there will be no pressure from you to him. This will come naturally. Your behavior will cause these effects. It's nearly impossible that your change doesn't affect him or get unnoticed. Additionally, you will both benefit from that. Not only it will guide you to a better path as individuals, but also will strengthen your relationship. When you give it all without expecting anything in return, sooner or later, the moment comes, and all the game is to your advantage, making you feel full, secure and appreciated. The best part is that you have nothing to lose. Even if he is the problem, and can't value you more, no matter how good you are, you will be certain with what person you are dealing. Plus will make you a better individual, and you will be prepared for the next one, the prince with the white horse who awaits you. How to be a better girlfriend for your boyfriend? So the $1 million question. How you will be a better partner for him, you ask? Well, that is simple. Be real to him. Just be yourself. For your boyfriend to love you and value you more, first he has to appreciate you. And to appreciate you, first he has to love your imperfections. Your mistakes and your bad moments. There is no point hiding from him if you want to love you with all his heart. Show him what you are. Your good side and the bad one. Don't give him the right to doubt your feelings. You like when he is jealous, and with your teeny tiny moves, you drive him into this feeling because this makes you feel desirable. Well, guess what? Forget that, if you want to appreciate you and value you more. How can a man appreciate you if you don't appreciate yourself, and most importantly if you don't appreciate the man you are with? Are you a woman that can't get quality men to commit to you? If you want immediately to make your man value you, then you should try this little known sequences of words to make any man obsess with you. Check out for more in the description below. Trust me, you need this. The jealous games are excellent and all that, sometimes even necessary, but only when the right time comes and when the situations permit it. Also, you have to be honest with your boyfriend. Treat him good and don't be stubborn and selfish even if sometimes drives you crazy. Every day, try to be better, first for you and then for your boyfriend. Make one step at a time, set small goals and don't stop till you achieve them. Thinking small is the key to big success. If you are not trying to be better every single day, then the problems in your relationship will come, sooner or later. A man as a man might seem strong and steady. But the naked truth is that they are more sensitive than women, just in another way. Do you know what will make him feel that he can conquer the world? You. Showing him that you care. If you don't try to be a better partner for him, then he will feel insecure. He will think that this relationship is dust in the wind. He will not commit to the level you need, and he wants. Your boyfriend will not value and appreciate you this way. Let me ask you something. What is the ultimate reason you make a relationship in the first place? Is it to cover your needs? To not feel alone maybe? Or because you want to get married and make a family? Perhaps it's one of them, or even all of them together. So, always you have to take your relationship to the next level. By being a better partner every day, you drive him to do at least the same. You help your boyfriend to appreciate and love you. This way you will get closer to the next step and eventually into the fullness of your destiny, so it is vital to do so. You are the neck, you just need to know when and where to turn your head. You need to feel that your boyfriend appreciate you. You need to appreciate him first though. And not only you have to show him, but he must understand it also. In the end, it is a win-win situation when you try for the best and give all your energy to be a better companion. When you give it all, you have nothing to lose. You must not be afraid to do so. You want to make your boyfriend to value you more. This says a lot. You invest in this relationship because something tells you he deserves it. So try for the best and never look back. You have two options. Thank him for the good times and keep going, or even better, try harder, try more. Everybody can change. When you fight for the best possible results and try truthfully to be a better girlfriend for your partner, no man can ignore that. They are men after all. Don't forget, you are the neck, you just need to know when and where to turn your head. When the time will come, and you will see and feel the true love and the appreciation of your boyfriend. You will see that there is no better reward for your efforts. Not only that, but you will feel happy, full, and secure. Moreover, you will discover that you are stronger, knowing that you didn't stay still. After all, nothing will change if you use the same ineffective ways over and over again without trying for something else. For the big finale. Trying to be a better person and a better girlfriend will help your boyfriend value you more. It's important to show him that you are the best fit for him and continuously trying to be the best you can, because you simply can't live without him. This way you push your boyfriend to do the same for you without feeling pressure. It will be a reaction to your actions. It's useful for both sides. Be there for him 100% and show him that you don't expect anything in return. You have nothing to lose. The advantages for you will be numerous. Not only you will learn more about yourself, but you will know your boyfriend better. This journey will make you stronger. Change your life for the better, be a better partner for your boyfriend. It's quite simple. Just don't lie. Be moral, don't allow him to doubt for you. Let him feel that you want to belong to him. Don't be afraid to be yourself. You will have your bad moments, it's normal, embrace those moments and never cover them. Don't show that you are someone else. Show him that you strive for the best. This way, even in your bad days, he will see your imperfections perfect. First be honest with yourself and then be honest with your boyfriend, and he will appreciate and value you more sooner or later. Eventually, he will understand his mistakes because, in the end, you will help him to be a better partner for you. Feel free to leave a comment below and tell me your experiences and what you think. For more tips on how to make him chase you, give a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends. Of course, subscribe. And oh yes, also don't forget to click the notification bell. See ya.